Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today I just wanted to show our new consignment for the week. This beauty is amazing. It is clean, it's ready to go, it's got a clean title, it's locally owned. I think you'll really like it. It is the Wildwood. It's got a pop out as you saw on the other side there. We're just gonna kind of go over the condition of everything. I'm gonna be opening some cabinets, I'm gonna be looking at the layout. Right now I'm just going to go over kind of the outside part of it. Taking a look at the bumper, spare tire here. It's got city water connection on the back. So I do look for a couple of things when I'm looking for campers. First of all, I look for leaks. That's the number one thing that everyone looks for, and I'm definitely going to go over all the spots that we look at when we are looking at campers. So we are looking for any inconsistencies with siding, with staining, with smells inside, and I'm just going to go over kind of everything that I can. Of course, if you have any other questions, you can always call me. Just kind of going around another parked car here. But you can ask me in the comments. This thing is beautiful. Definitely love the layout in this, and I know that you will too. I'm going to be posting all of the weight and everything in the description below, but I'm going to get a quick video of it here so that you can kind of pause it on your screen and do the research you need. Got the VIN number right there as well, the weight, tire, rims, everything on there. So electronic stabilizers are on here too. Forest River, I mean, they make great stuff. Everyone knows that brand, very reputable brand. The stabilizers definitely help. The stabilizers aren't on right now, so if it's a little bit wobbly, it's normal. We'll put those down, of course, when you come see it. But when we walk in here, we'll see a beautiful corner kitchen. Cabinets are all in good shape. Everything is super duper clean. Definitely one of the more cleaner consignments that we get in. And we get in all types of RVs. We get in older RVs, motorhomes, pop-up campers. We get everything from, like, I don't even know, 50s campers, you know, with those little teardrop ones, to newer, you know, up to like maybe 2018 newer, but all kinds of stuff. Freezer above. It's got a newer microwave here. Fan and light. Looks like it's never really been used. Oven. All of these slide out really easily. I'm not finding any that are catching. Seems like it's all in really good shape. You can see a little bit of that ring right there. That's the color of the wood to the right. So that's natural wood coloring. But and then, sorry, I apologize. We're on Fairview Avenue in the middle of Boise, so it's a little bit busy out there, a little loud. But let's see what else. The floor is in great shape. There's no warping or anything. No staining on the floors. It's the kitchen and dining area, and of course you can pull these two couches out to make a bed and pull this one in as well to make a big sleeping area, which is one of my favorite parts of these. Looks like that's a propane gas alarm right there. Over to the left, you'll see the stereo display here. We'll get a close-up of that. Speakers above, AC unit. Everything works as it should. Super clean. Blinds look great. There's a little tiny dent right here in the blinds. I don't even know if you can really see it. Let's see, get up close there. Little dent right there. Curtains look to be in good condition as well. As you can see, the ceiling is great. Again, no staining or anything in this. No smells at all. No pet smells, no smoke smells, of course. Just for the slide out and the awnings. On and off switch. Just an outlet over here. So in the hallway to the left, you'll see there's a storage closet right here and a drawer. We'll take a look at those. There's some extra shelves. Really great condition. It's in good shape, no cracks or anything. Mirror looks good. And we'll look under here. Looks pretty typical. No warping or any weirdness. No moisture, no smells. No cracks in the sink. Looks great. One of my favorite features in this camper too is there's a sink in the master. That's super convenient too. And then of course you've got your mirror here. Really big bedroom area too. And then the ceiling, just so you can get an idea of the ceiling. Everything looks great. There's a little track for a curtain, so if you want a little bit more privacy, you can find that here. Light above, but we'll check out the bathroom. Bathroom's super clean as well. Got a great size shower, skylight. Little shelf was installed there. Floor looks good, no warping. As we go along the trim, you'll notice there's no staining or anything there either. Seals all look great. Let's get a little closer up if we can. Everything looks awesome. Looks great. Bedroom looks great. Let's open up some cabinets. Wardrobe looks good on this side too. There's a shelf that hangs here. Looks good. Carpet's all in great condition. No smells or stains. And we're gonna lift up the bed. Underneath the bed, lots of storage underneath the bed. And you'll notice on this side is the outside of the RV. Kind of funky. So if you lose your keys, you can get in through underneath your bed. Just kidding, but kind of cool. Yeah, really great shape. Again, I'll put in all the specifications and everything in the description, but just so you can get an idea of it. We'll go through the exterior again. Looks great. Oh, and then for like cable and stuff, it's located here. But yeah, we'll take a look at this. And this is the back of the door. I don't know if anyone of you wants to see the screen, but there's that. And then here is the inside of this for storage underneath the bed I was referring to. Underneath the bed. So as you can see, some of the stickers a little bit worn over here, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it looks really great. The other side looks really good. So it just looks like that one side had a little bit of fading on the stripes there. Underneath looks great. Frame straight. You can see the stabilizers ones here. It's on the other side. And then two of the other stabilizers on either side. Tread looks good on the tires. Tread looks good on this back tire too. Let's take a look at stairs. Look to be in great shape. Freshwater connection there. We're located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. Come check us out. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. Thanks, guys.